My people not be smarting, not be small fire they catch since for social media sake of say Annie Idibia unfollow her husband Tuface. Yes, so the same singer Tuface, so she unfollow her for Instagram. Not be smarting, this one actually happened because say Tuface actually there for US right now with him ex when they call Piro and her children. Yes, Piro na in baby mama of 3 children. So the day US right now they rigmarole up and down. So now that one probably now make Annie Idibia unfollow her husband. Not be small matter, my people. This matter don't take plenty turns so in just few hours. Not be small thing. All of us fake sit down, my people, our own. When matter come out say Annie Idibia, wife of Nigerian singer and entertainer Innocent Idibia, popularly known as Tuface, say he don't unfollow his husband for Instagram. Una dey hear the matter, so una trust am about nation, and now we say we go do small research on top this.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling, my correct people, this video today now about Annie Idibia. Not be smarty, my people. This matter shockalize me like seriously. Hey, my people, oh, Annie Idibia just unfollow her husband for Instagram. Hey, my people, oh, una know the reason why he unfollow am because the Tuface dey with the other woman for America. Una know the woman wey born 3 children for am. So the way we dey look the whole thing wey first cause problem that time, e be like say the two of them don't come back again. They don't dey together again because this matter now as I dey talk to una, e don pass Joromi. This matter now don pass Joromi, my people, because Annie Idibia now don dey vex because anytime wey Tuface travel go America go see children, e dey stay that woman house. My people, una know say when man and woman don dey together, wetin una come expect? And that woman not dey with husband, that woman never marry. So anything fit happen. I know say road wey person don fair pass, e no dey add am to pass again, my people. E no go add am to pass again. So na him make Annie dey vex say why Tuface not dey stay hotel if you go see your children for America? Why in dey always dey stay the woman house if you go America? Na there problem dey. So Annie now don dey vex, my people. But Annie not supposed to dey vex because Annie supposed to know when they tell Tuface say him go marry after Tuface don fair leave you, go born many children for outside. What do you be expect, my sister? You know expect everything go dey sweet, oh yeah. You know expect everything go dey sweet. You supposed to know what you dey get yourself into when the thing dey start. You understand? Now you don't dey regret now. The thing don't dey pay you for body now. So may you bear am, my sister. How you reason now? May you bear am. You supposed to know what you dey get yourself into. That be the thing. So my people, Annie now dey vex now. Say Tuface dey that woman house as I dey talk to now. So now don't be the problem where they grand now. Annie don't know what to do now. Annie dey vex. Annie don't unfollow. So my people, as I dey talk to now, there is fire on the mountain. You understand, my people? So make I put the video where this our sister they talk. Then we can go from there. Bye everybody. Please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
My people not be smarting, not be small fire they catch since for social media sake of say Annie Idibia unfollow her husband Tuface. Yes, so the same singer Tuface, so she unfollow her for Instagram. Not be smarting, this one actually happened because say Tuface actually there for US right now with him ex when they call Piro and her children. Yes, Piro na in baby mama of 3 children. So the day US right now they rigmarole up and down. So now that one probably now it make Annie Idibia unfollow her husband. Not be small matter, my people. This matter don't take plenty turns, so in just few hours. Not be small thing. All of us fake sit down, my people, our own. When matter come out, say Annie Idibia, wife of Nigerian singer and entertainer Innocent Idibia, popularly known as Tuface, say he don't unfollow his husband for Instagram. Una dey hear the matter, so una trust am about nation, and now we say we go do small research on top this matter. What it cause this kind thing? We can begin see many comments. Say na because say Tuface post a video of himself and in 3 kids for US. Piro kids now make Annie Idibia vex. Say for what now? Now she just go and follow him. Make she not take her eye to see nonsense. She don't want to see any other thing. Now she just unfollow him. Not be smart, you know. Inside this matter, she can't see come out, go her verified Instagram page, my people. She can't come out, go post something. She can't write, say, family is who takes care of you. It doesn't matter if they are blood related or not. Know this and find peace. Family can low-key be throwing stones at you and still pretend they are standing for you. They can be deceptive and also pretend to be protecting you. Don't lose guard. My people, as people just see that one, not be smart, you know. Now in social media catch fire again. They say, honey, you own don't too much. Waiting, put yourself up Piro's shoe. If now you won't call, I made the man just abandon Piro, abandon children. People can begin tongue lash Annie. Nothing, they not tell Annie at all, at all. But for the next post again, my people, when she posts, she can sit and say, yes, I have a very beautiful life. Incredible kids, a praying mother, and incredibly successful, rich in health, looks and pockets, extremely generous, humorous, genuine and caring hobby. And yes, I am one hell of a woman. Beauty, brains, creative, hardworking, deep and witty, heart, half and yes. So favored. If I were you, I want my life too. My people, now what you should go right next be that one. That one can confuse people. Say, not be the same husband when you the verse for so say, he come out go stay with your mate. Now you still can't write all these kind of things about the kind of praise and say you get a caring hobby. So the thing can't confuse people, my people, not be small something. He never just reach how long again, my people. She come out, my people, for her Insta story. Come talk, say, not be only small Instagram glitch. Wetin can happen? One of una just can't come out. Can't they talk many things? She talk and say, oh, she say, God, oh, LOL. Chai. Now so una like bad news. Chineke. My people, not be small thing. She can't still write another one, say, Jesu, oh. Now so una like bad news. Start here. Now wow, simple Instagram glitch. Una don't create story. Nigerian bloggers I hail. Make una not they make innocent lovers of both a guy and I mind jump oh.